Good morning guys, it's a fabulous Tuesday. Don't know why I'm in such a happy mood. My hair is actually disgusting because it's so dirty. The last time I washed my hair was Friday. It's now a Tuesday, but there's a good reason because on the weekend I was working, so obviously I just didn't wash my hair. I tied it up and it was nice and clean because I washed it on Friday. Then yesterday was Monday. I was about to wash my hair and then I remembered that today I've actually got a hair appointment to get my hair coloured at 12:30. So I was like, what's the point in washing my hair, because tomorrow I'm going to the hairdressers, and also I'm going to get a bleach bath, which is basically a bit like a full head of bleach but less harsh because they mix it with shampoo, I think it is that she said. Basically it's not to bleach my hair because I want to go lighter, it's just to get rid of the existing hair colour that I have on my hair, because my hair has been coloured quite a few times. So to get the exact colour that I want, she suggested that I just, you know, start with a clean base, get rid of all the colour that was on there, and then we're gonna go for the colour that I want. And I want to go like a light brown, like a medium light brown. A couple of times I went to the hairdressers and I came out a bit darker than I wished for, so this time I hope we get it right, because there's going to be a bleach bath, and when your hair's bleached and you're starting from scratch, it's just a better chance of getting the colour that you want because you're starting on a clean base. So yeah, my hair is looking yucky, it's disgusting, it's greasy, it's got dandruff. And the thing is, when you gonna go get your hair bleached at a salon, it's best to have your hair really dirty, because previously when I used to get my hair bleached all the time, the hairdresser always told me to not wash my hair because the more greasy it is, the more it's going to protect your scalp because you have your natural oils. So definitely don't go into a salon expecting to get a full head of bleach with clean squeaky, I've said that the other way around, squeaky clean hair, because there's nothing to protect it. So yeah, so I'm gonna have to explain that to her, because I don't want to turn up at the hairdressers and for her to think I'm just one of those people that doesn't wash my hair, that don't care about my hair, just walk around with greasy dandruff hair. Yeah, I need to explain that to her. Also guys, my eyelashes are freaking long. I think the video after this one is going to be all about my eyelashes and the journey that I've been on in trying to grow them, what I used, how long I've been using it, pictures, updates, and I'm going to do a demonstration of how I curl my eyelashes and apply mascara as well. So yeah, but from afar it looks like I've got falsies on, but these are actually my real eyelashes. Pretty impressed. I do have a new hair colour. I asked for a medium brown, but it is a little bit lighter than I expected, but I actually quite like it. But I know that eventually it's going to start fading when I start washing it, and it's going to go lighter and lighter, so I'm thinking that just before Christmas I might get another colour put on top, because it's just a little bit lighter than what I expected, but I actually really like it and I think it complements my skin colour quite nicely. So I decided to do this video on its own, not inside a vlog, because I know that a lot of people ask me about my hair colour. So now when people ask me about my hair colour, I can just divert them to this video. Also, what she did was she did a bleach cleanse. So basically all of the colour that I had on my hair previously, I had like 3 or 4 different colours on my hair. So she had to get that off and basically start from fresh. And then after the bleach bath, my hair was bright orange. It was like a bleached colour, and from there she then put on another colour to turn it down, calm it down, and also, you know, give me the colour that I want. And I actually really like it. I haven't had this kind of hair colour in a while because my hair's been dark and I've been letting it grow out because you guys know that I had like a disaster like 2 years ago. So I've been afraid of putting bleach on my hair, and I've just generally trying to keep away from hair colouring and hair tools. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. I'm happy that I took the plunge, and now that I know that my hair is bleached underneath, then a lot of the colours that I want will just go on top, and you know, it's not going to be tricky because my hair's bleached underneath. So yeah, and she said that if I wanted to go lighter, then I could go back and get highlights, and then she'll put a toner on top. But I'm not sure if I would do that because first of all, I don't want to go that much lighter. I feel like I can't pull off light blonde colours anymore, and second of all, I'm quite happy with the colour, and it's not as dark as it previously was. Previously it was like almost black nearly, so I'm happy with this hair colour. She didn't have time to do my haircut because I was in the salon for just over 4 hours because she had to bleach it, then we had to do a lot of treatments, and then she put a colour on top. So in between that there was no time for a haircut, so I'm gonna have to go back one day and get it cut. But I'm thinking I might get it cut about up to here, like a blunt cut, so it's like a long bob. But yeah, this is my new hair colour and I actually really like it. Under some lights it looks quite ashy, but then under different kind of lighting it can look a bit golden as well, like quite orange. But I kind of knew that was going to happen because when you bleach your hair, unless you bleach it over and over like twice, that it's going to have some sort of warmth to the hair. And actually wanted a warm chocolate brown, so I ain't mad at this colour. It's quite nice. I actually quite like it. And yeah, don't have any roots anymore, which is a good thing. I just couldn't stand my roots, and even if I have roots with this colour, it's not going to be too obvious because it's not that like light or blonde. So yeah, I like it, guys. This is my new hair colour. What do you think? I feel like I need to style it a bit better. And I've also bought some purple shampoo from Amazon. I've bought the Fanola No Yellow one, which is, I think it's the strongest kind of purple shampoo you can get. It's the ones that they use in the salons. So in between washes I'm gonna use purple shampoo to try and keep it, you know, less brassy. But yeah, I absolutely love it. It feels so refreshing to have a nice hair colour, and I like all over colour. I'm not really a big fan of highlights or anything like that. So even when she said, oh, you can come back and get highlights and, you know, gradually go lighter if I wanted to, not sure if I would do that because I'm not personally a fan of highlights. Even when my ends start getting lighter, I start disliking my hair colour. So yeah, this is my new hair colour, guys. What do you think? I think it complements my skin tone and my makeup really well. And that was the thing as well, because I wear less and less makeup these days. Like today all I have on is mascara and a bit of eyeliner. I've got a bit of like bronzer in my crease area, but not too much. And then I like to play up my look with lips now, so I like to wear like a red lip or an orange lip, and I don't like to wear too much eye makeup. So that's one of the reasons as well why I didn't go blonde, because when you go blonde or like a really light colour, I find that it washes my skin out, and I feel like I need to apply like a winged eyeliner or a thick eyeliner to kind of like bring some life back to my face, instead of looking ghostly. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. I actually really like it. The ends are dry because, you know, it's been through bleach, it's been through a couple of blow dries and then a colour on top, so the ends are looking a bit dry, but I'm gonna get those cut off soon when I can get myself booked in. But yeah, like it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box and I will get back to you. If you want to know what hair colour was used, I think it was a mixture of level 8 and level 6. I basically wanted a 7, so she mixed them both together, and I also had bleach on top as well. So yeah, if you have any questions, I'll try my best to reply to them if I know the answer. But yeah, until my next video, I'll see you guys soon. Mwah.
Look out, here she comes, the woman that I love.